Welcome to the new video. From the last video, this was all over there. Now it's all over here. Yeah, it's actually snowing pretty much all around, except here. Go figure. Before we were getting snow, there's like literally nothing above us. No, there's stuff above us, but it's not snowing. This is what I'm noticing. Just noticed. What the fuck is happening here? It's like it's all in this little line right here. I'm home for this. Yesterday it was just straight snow. Today it's a lot more of a cooler sort of like shit. Based off the webcam, I probably would have wanted to see yesterday as well. Look at that. And this looks like this is it. Come back there for the front. Yeah, the breeze won't stop, but can't be sitting out here forever. Head over here. Why is the focus so bad up here? It's because of the house. Yeah. Oh, that's what we're dealing with. Look at the mountains, though. It's so cool. It's just filled with snow. Yeah, that down here, there's nothing. It's just bare as fucking... bare as the desert. Like, Jesus. We were supposed to get all this snow, yet we got jacked, but the mountains got what they were expecting. Thank you, dry air. You sure know how to piss people off. Christ, I bet you if I stood under that, it'd be fucking snowing. Tiny flakes. Anyways, on that note, I'll see you guys later on today. New video underway. Alright, Temperature got down to minus 12. I'll pass conditions and make sure you guys later on at work once I'm done work, but otherwise, yeah. We got periods of snow beginning late in the morning tomorrow, 2 centimeters. Winds becoming south 20, goes to 40 in the afternoon. And then periods of snow continue for Saturday night into Sunday. Yeah. Stays dry. Oh, and then it dries up. Well, no. Not dry up. I don't know what I'm talking about. Still half asleep, I guess. And then we got 6% chance of flurries Monday night, and then 30% chance of showers all day Tuesday. And then a 6% chance of flurries Wednesday night, and a 6% chance of flurries or showers Thursday. And the weather network, just this section here actually cools off even more. Get into like more like Arctic temps again, -2 high and -10 lows, but no real snow potential. It's quite a modest cool down, so I'm not going to show it. 2 to 4 centimeters tomorrow. Otherwise, there's a bunch of 40 and 6% chances of precipitation. On that note, I will see you guys later on today. More than likely, anyways. Oh. Well, measurement seems kind of hard with what we got here. It's a lot more of an easier thing to gauge with my eyes and measure with a ruler. See, I woke up one time and there was nothing, so I just went back to sleep because fuck it. And then wake up now, it's like, oh, it's like, yeah, what, 0.2, I'll just settle with that. Again, very light snow. Not overly concerned. I'm bringing my ruler anyways, just because maybe it'll snow through the day. So. This started very recent. I can see my car doesn't have a light. Yeah, I'm not. Meh. Yeah, very light snow. I'll use my dashcam footage. It's like, I don't know. I think it's because they've been using sand or some shit. So it's not that warm. But then again, it is like freaking February, so it can melt very easily. I leave my camera sitting on the dash. I got shit to deal with.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the
back home. Didn't get much snow footage. It was fairly light throughout the day. I'm looking at the ground. Doesn't look like a lot. Trying to take a gander here. We'll do a mini around the house just to gauge. Ouch. Back. Yeah. It doesn't look like too much. It might have melted a touch. We'll do a roundup. It looks like maybe a centimeter. Just a bit under. It's a very dry, powdery snow. We're supposed to get more tonight. I didn't see because, well, I didn't forecast last night. Christ, I didn't sleep last night. I gotta talk about that. So I guess we just use the yard waste bin and this, because I mean, can't really say I'll complain about missing this. It just looks like more snow. It just looks like snow that'll melt in fucking a few hours on a fucking 4-degree day. On that note, I'll see you guys back out maybe later on tonight. Well, not maybe. Later on tonight with the measurements. And just only measurements. And then we'll do around the house. Here's the past rate. Well, forecast update. Past radar will show past conditions as well. Yeah. I didn't get to it this morning, afternoon, whatever. Well, at least I'm getting to the past conditions and all that. Nonetheless, it didn't snow much, so I don't really expect this radar would have been much interest anyways. Nonetheless, persistent. We'll make sure to get the check-in before 12 o'clock. That way it verifies for today. We may do another radar update depending on what the shit looks like. Here's a here's a forecast update. 11 o'clock it was 2 to 4 centimeters for today. Otherwise, periods of snow 2 to 4 centimeters. Fucking definitely not even close to 2 centimeters. Tonight, yeah, 5 centimeters of snow. Sitting near -5. Sunday, then a 6% chance of flurries in the morning and early afternoon. Winds becoming southwesterly gusts of 50 in the afternoon. And then a little dry break there, and 30% chance of flurries Monday night. 40% chance Tuesday. Hold it there for a little while. Dries a bit on Tuesday night, and then a 6% chance of flurries all day Wednesday, 6% chance of flurries or showers Thursday, 30% chance of flurries Thursday night, and then 30% chance of flurries into Friday. With a 7-degree high, I presume that's early morning then. And then we got the Weather Network. Just this section here, it's missing the 14th day there. We're going kind of from the 13th day up. Yeah. It gets a bit cold, stays cold, a little snowy here and there. Otherwise, chances of snow here and there, otherwise nothing extravagant. Close 5 centimeters on March 5th. But yeah, otherwise, stays cold well into March. I was going to go and look into landscaping, but realistically I'm not going to until these temperatures start to fucking warm. But as of now, that's looking pretty bleak. Nonetheless, and then this was the 24th. I didn't show you guys this. I thought I might as well now. Got down to -12. That's as cold as it got for the Arctic air. Yeah. But on that note, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on tonight, sorry. Next day here, jeez fucking Christ if I can stand. Very lightly snowing. Get a measurement. I don't like the looks of that. Just about, probably about 3/4 of an inch, a centimeter. It's definitely above half a centimeter, but not by much. I'm slipping in. Most of it was fucking 3/4 of a centimeter over. Look, it's been falling. Very well-defined flakes. That's probably what's giving that look of like it's over half a centimeter, but the flakes are so dry. So well-defined and dry. Stop, you little shit. Fuck you. It's grateful. It seems like whenever I don't go out for the night, it does shit. Although, mind you, then it does it at work instead. But nonetheless, fucking, it wasn't probably any more than half a centimeter. Let me see. This is very unorthodox, but yeah, it's probably, I don't know. I'm only doing this because the ground's untouched. Yeah. Untouched. No snow. Has had no snow on the ground till now. Jesus Christ. Nonetheless, under a centimeter, whatever we have, compared to like fucking elsewhere. Again, very cool looking. It'll all melt tomorrow though. You may still have snow potential, but it's all gonna melt still. You can get above freezing and sunny. But not too, well, probably under 5 degrees. No, probably like under 4. We've done enough checks for fucking less than a centimeter of snow. On that note, I'll leave you guys with that. I may see you guys later on tonight, if not in the morning. Unfortunately, I could not get a forecast and update in last night or yesterday. Yeah, it looks like it really snowed here. And that was when I was at work. Well, I'll definitely want to give you guys a forecast update today. I can live without it. Alright, here's the forecast update for today. Skipped yesterday's, but it's pretty much the same as what yesterday was, just obviously with some fucking lots of temperature changes and shit. But nonetheless, we got a few flurries beginning early this evening and ending after midnight, and there's a potential of flurries overnight. 2 centimeters. And then Tuesday we got 30% chance of flurries, and Tuesday night 30% chance of flurries in the evening. And then Wednesday, little break before Wednesday night, we got snow. Thursday, periods of snow or rain. Scroll down. We got a little break, and then 30% chance of flurries Friday night, and then a 30% chance of showers of flurries Saturday night, and then a 30% chance of flurries Sunday, presumably early in the morning, considering 6-degree high. And then the weather network's just fucking ridiculous. Again, it hasn't changed pretty much other than the temperature since yesterday, and a few amount totals and precip chances. Jesus fuck. It's not like it's a lot of snow, it's just a bunch of chances of fucking flurries. You got 1 or 3 there on the March 5th and 6th though. Ooh. Fucking seriously. And then continues down. 1 to 3 on the 9th, close to 5 on the 10th. Yeah. Just no end in sight. And on that note, I'll see you guys later on tonight, if not tomorrow. Been doing this for the last like hour or so. See if we can get 30 seconds this time. Jesus. As heavy as it's been all day, it's still not sticking up. There we go, 30 seconds, fucking fine. Let's push it to the minute. And then I have to go back in. It's a very light snow, it's not even sticking. So I'm not overly annoyed. Yeah. Holy fuck. Now it's snowing. Holy shit. Fuck. It's lightening up. Still far from accumulating on all surfaces, so I don't know how it is back at home, but this would, if this was how it looked when I went outside, this would not be measurable at all. Try to go to 45-second mark here. Yeah. It won't stop fucking snowing. It's sticking on elevated surfaces, but otherwise it's pretty much immeasurable. I mean, look at the sky. This realistically could be fucking raining if it was a degree warmer. Yeah. On that note, I'll see you guys later on. I think it could be sticking by now. Snowing all day. But no. The air temperature is out. It's keeping the ground at bay from getting below freezing. I'll get off work early. Not like it would matter in this for this, but holy fuck! It's not even sticking though. That's the thing. I wonder it would be if at home. But at least it's been persistent. I'm leaving half an hour early here, so. Well, yeah. Once we get out of here, I'll got the dash cam.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go, on we'll go.
So this is what it looks like here. It is significantly, it's definitely less than at work. It's, yeah. This has been going since like fucking this morning, so you can take a wild guess how I feel about this. Not shit. Nonetheless, all day it's just been light as fuck. Hardly even measurable, if even. Maybe I could do it on the gravel. That's about as much as I can get out of it. Every other surface is just impossible. I mean, it's cool looking because it's how it's just like a coating. It's like, but yeah. On that note, I will see you guys later on with the forecast and radar update. The forecast I've just been putting off because it's weak as shit. All day, this is how it's been looking. I mean, I can only assume with some intervals of heavier snow here and there, but just, yeah. And then we got the forecast updates. So, again, radar wasn't as good as I was suspecting, and this has been the forecast. So we got periods of light snow landing this evening, and then tomorrow we got 30% chance of flurries of rain showers late in the afternoon, with 30% chance of flurries early in the evening. Changes snow beginning in the evening, a couple centimeters there, and then Thursday we got snow or periods of rain with windy conditions. I'm off that day. Yeah. Interested to see how that goes, and obviously you can see the warm-up from there. But yeah. And then that's how the environment count is looking. The weather network is just this section here. It's the 6 to 13 days here. Trace 1 to 3. Otherwise, just a couple chances here and there, and pretty average temperatures. Yeah. They're definitely colder than what Environment Canada has, though, so I'm a little interested in that. Otherwise, yeah. On that note, I will see you guys outside. I'll get some measurements and just sit out there for a little bit. Yeah. Here we are now. It's really still going. It was a lot lighter earlier, but here we are. A lot less earlier, but here we are. Now it looks like maybe at even a centimeter. Yeah. Right on the nose with about a centimeter. Come on. 1 centimeter. One whole centimeter. It's been snowing how long today? And now we're going to do the gravel. It's going to be dark for a little while here, but I can't do anything about it. Let's go right here. Yep, this one's a little over a centimeter, but not far enough.
be like 1/4 or something. Yeah, 1 centimeter is a pretty reasonable amount.
Not worried to step on this because, well, it's not a measurable area. Because it didn't start sticking until like, well, in the last couple hours when the temperature's been below freezing now. It will look nice in the morning though. I gotta make sure I'm up on time. Yeah. Which is possible. I just gotta avoid eating. Which I can do. Yeah, this is what it's been doing pretty much all day. Maybe, definitely a little bit heavier in the afternoon, but it wasn't even sticking at that point. Temperatures were like 1-ish degrees, roughly around there. Definitely too warm for it to stick, and even with how long it stayed at that moderate intensity, it wasn't enough for it to start sticking. As you can tell, because we're only at 1 centimeter, it's been snowing all fucking day. If it started sticking right on impact, we probably would have been at like 2 centimeters by now. Maybe even 1 inch. But here we are. Because this all started kind of like 11 a.m. Sometime in the late morning. Mid-late morning. Definitely late morning, yeah, like 11 a.m. It's been almost 12 hours and not even... We just reached about 1 centimeter. But this is what it's been doing. I'll come back out later once I get my forecasting done. Well, we'll go another 45 seconds here before I start walking in. It looks like it. I look on the cedars and all that. It looks like a lot, but it's not. It just has that look. It's a false sense of. Just a false sense of understanding of the amounts. Naturally, on the ground. The fuck? Yeah, it is. Alright, let's start heading in here. It's very light. It will be lightening progressively. I wouldn't be surprised by the time I want to go up, it'll be done. Make sure to use one of those areas. Future. But yeah, 1 centimeter. Pretty much on the nose. As long as the roads are properly maintained, I don't think. I mean, at 7, I'm just thinking about something. Yeah, 7 a.m. Probably can be crappy, but 9 a.m. Yeah, it should be fine. Especially the highway. Yeah, I'll be back out later for some. Back out later. Yeah, light snow. I want to stay out later, but fuck the yeah. Alright, so we're back out here. It is 9:30, about give or take 2 hours later. Pretty much done with the snow. It's very much like fucking light as shit now. We'll do a check in the morning. But nonetheless, snow is becoming crunchier as the temperatures are increasing. I mean, increasing, yes. Decreasing. See where we're at now. Last we're at 1 centimeter, and that was 2 hours ago. Whoa.
It picked up when I was gone. What the fuck? Okie dokie. 1 3/4 centimeter. We were a touch over 1 centimeter before, so 2 hours. Yeah, I guess that makes some sense. It must have picked up. It's a little annoying, but at least I'm getting the measurements in. But at the end of the day, it's 1 3/4 centimeter in what? Fucking 12 hours? Just under 12 hours? About 10? 1 3/4 of a centimeter. Right on the nose. The snow is such a nice type too. It's so small. I mean, it's pointless, but let's just check the gravel anyways. I'm not gonna get photos of it if it's the same thing. Yeah, it's 3/4. Right on the dot. I'm actually gonna shovel the snow. Now I'm thinking about it. Be nice. I have a lot of time to do so. I just want to get a bit of it. Look, see, and then once I'm done, like completely done shoveling, then I'll give you guys the finishing off. Being outside for the night. Yeah, 1 3/4 of a centimeter. Very respectable. Yeah. Alright. Time to walk our way back because I gotta shovel this now. It won't be snowing anymore. That's the one thing no one around here knows. It's done. What we got is what we got. Maybe another 1/4 of a centimeter, but that's definitely a lot better than leaving 2 centimeters on the ground. So, a full 2 centimeters. Oh, the only thing I love about wet snow. Fucking crunch. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so I'm done shoveling. That was quick enough. And painless, actually. Though it's not the most wet snow I've ever experienced, but it's like, it's definitely shit that would be probably closer to like 5 to 1, give or take. Maybe a touch lower. And I've experienced some even wetter snows than that, so. Mind you, it's only 1 1/4, 3/4 centimeters, and less on paved surfaces because of the later sticking time, I guess you would say. Accumulation, there we go. The roads aren't very good. I'm actually going to do a test for a friend. A driver's test tomorrow, because of course. Oh, fuck this. I could do this. Oh, God. Yeah, I'm not. I have to give him the bad news. I thought they would have been better, but you know what? Neighborhood roads. Again, 9 a.m. maybe. It's 7 a.m. They're fucked. Nonetheless. Yeah. It's pretty much done snowing too. Very tiny flakes falling still, but yeah. On that note, I'll see you guys potentially later on tonight, but if not, in the morning.
do around the house then. I'm even gonna get some photos too, because this is the sort of snow I'd like to get photos of. Alright, it is morning. Sun has just risen. It's about 1 degree. Skies are hazy. Hazy cloud cover. Didn't snow any extra. Jesus. So it's 1.7 centimeters, the final total for the event. Yeah. Probably the possible like 10 centimeters we could have gotten, you know, over the last couple events, but you know. Why the fuck not? Just get 1.75 and we'll leave it at that. Just get 2 centimeters, near 2 centimeters on an event where we were supposed to get literally no accumulation. Maybe nothing more than a centimeter, but you know. Why? Nonetheless. Slowly melting. What did it? I'm sorry. They just blew the fuck out of here. Shit. It's been only a minute, like under a minute. About a minute, and they're just fucking gone. Okay. It's a school day, so shit's fucking annoying to do without pointing down the street and making it look like you're pointing at someone. Fuck. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Jesus. I don't remember when I fell asleep, so I'm fucking just yawning to shit. I mean, that's a good thing actually in some cases. Leave that computer good, right? Yeah. Anyways. Now I feel like sneezing. Fuck me. Yawning and sneezing. I hate it when it's snowy. I hate the morning when the sun's out and it's white snow. Fresh new snow. My eyes just fucked. Yeah. It's middle school, right? Yeah, they must walk fast. Middle school's not far off. High school, Bell. I remember it's been a few years. There we go. Do this now. Very nice. Most of the snow's probably gonna melt today. But depending on how clear it wants to get. Getting blocked by a hazy cloud cover. Hazy high cloud cover. But nonetheless. Yeah. Yeah. These things. Oh my god. Fuck me. Love this thing, even though it's pretty much a pointless thing. It's more even sofa looks now than anything. Anyways, on that note, I will see you guys later on with the Canada forecast update. The weather looks pretty, as I thought. So many chances of precipitation, and then it's just all fucking nothing now. Anyways, I'll see you guys later on.